Alrighty, what is poppin'? In today's video, I'm about to showcase you guys how to change your voice on your PS5. Now, this process is fairly similar to the PS4 way, but it's way more simpler on the PS5. I'm gonna basically showcase you guys right now how to do it. You go to settings, go to sound, and then when you get to sound, you're gonna go to microphone, and when you get here, you're basically going to record your voice, because as you guys may know, the PS5 controller, you can basically have it basically has a mic into it, so you can basically use it as a voice changer, also a headset, a controller, and also a USB mic or any type of mic you have connected to your PC. It basically works very simple and easy, not too hard. And I'm gonna showcase you guys how this basically works. So I'm gonna show you guys from high to low and also to the middle. So yeah.
High pitch. High, high, high. Very high. Gonna be a delay, but the voice is very high. Very enjoyable. I'm just saying anything at this point. I'm just testing out the mic. See how well it works. It works. Testing.
Alrighty, so yeah, that's basically about it. I'll say that was really fun. I'm testing out the voice changer on the PS5. Like I said, it's really similar to the PS4. Really cool feature that's on the PlayStation 5. So yeah, that's basically about it. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.